Hello everyone, I am Anuj. Today I will show you how to use a potentiometer with Arduino. First of all, what is a potentiometer? Well, a potentiometer is a type of variable resistor. Usually, we use resistors which have a fixed resistance. But in potentiometers, we can control the resistance by rotating the knob on it. For this project, we will need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, a potentiometer and some jumper cables. First, attach the potentiometer to the breadboard. Next, connect one terminal of the potentiometer to the GND pin on the Arduino. Now, connect the second terminal of the potentiometer to the 5V pin on Arduino Uno. Finally, connect the signal pin of the potentiometer to the A0 pin on Arduino. We connect the signal pin of the potentiometer to an analog input pin, as these pins can sense the change in electrical signals due to rotation of the knob on the potentiometer. The analog input pins of Arduino convert analog signal between 0 volts and 5 volts to a numerical value between 0 and 1023. In the code, we first declare the pin to which the signal pin of the potentiometer is connected. In the void setup, we declare the potentiometer as an input device. We also set the baud rate of serial monitor at 9600. In the void loop, we store the reading from the potentiometer in the variable sensor value. Then we print the value from the potentiometer in the serial monitor. Some delay is inserted. Now let's upload the code. Now that we know how to use a potentiometer with Arduino, let us do a simple project in which we will control the brightness of a LED using a potentiometer. We just need to add an LED to our previous circuit. So, attach the LED on your breadboard. Then, connect a 220 ohm resistor to the cathode pin of the LED. Then, connect the cathode pin of the LED through the resistor to a GND pin on the Arduino. Finally, connect the anode pin of the LED to the digital pin 3 on Arduino. In the code, first we declare the pin to which the potentiometer is connected. Then we declare the pin to which the LED is connected. In the void setup, first we declare the potentiometer as an input device. Next, we declare the LED as an output device. In the void loop, first we read the value from the potentiometer and store it in the sensor value variable. Next, we map the value from the potentiometer. We convert the value from a range of 0 to 1023 to a range of 0 to 255. Next, we set the brightness of the LED. Now let's upload the code.